People have always asked me, what is it like to be a beekeeper? So to help explain what it is like, I decided to create these videos to go over my experiences. I will cover lessons learned and provide explanations of what it's like to be a beekeeper. I hope you enjoyed my adventures in beekeeping. With the bee suit, with the bee suit that you have, you're gonna need to clean it. Smoking yourself, getting all the honey, and getting all the propolis, getting all the debris off your suit. It's a must. One thing that I would suggest is that you never, ever, ever put it in your washer. That's a great way to get propolis and anything else on your clothes, on your family. And there's actually been cases where people became allergic to bees because people were washing their bee suit in with their normal laundry. So I would never recommend that. The next thing that I would recommend is that you never use a flower detergent. Here I'm using Perel. It's cheap, it's inexpensive. You can get it at the store. It's great. It does not have a flower smell or anything else. And just add a little bit of bleach. Now, I'm using cold water to put my suit in to soak it. You don't want to use hot water. Hot water is great at, you know, kind of making things whiter or actually just inflaming, or I wouldn't say inflaming, but I would just say making detergent and making bleach more smelly, more nauseous, just all in all, just bad. So here I'm using cold water. And as you can see, my gloves are pretty bad. Yes. They have propolis on them. They have wax on them. They, they've been stung. So I'm just going to soak them in my soapy water mix. And then I'm going to grab my suit and I'm going to just kind of bend it up a little bit or fold it up and soak it in. Again, I'm not using hot water. I'm using cold water. I'm just going to take my suit and put it in. And then I'm just going to press it down into the water mix. You're going to notice the water turning brown, what have you. Just soak it. Now, ideally, you want to clean your suit every month. If you are not cleaning your suit every month, you have the risk of, keeping smells on your suit. If the bees sting you, that smell lasts on your suit. This is a good way just to get it all out and to make your suit smell nice. Once you're done, soak your suit overnight. Periodically come back and check on your suit, drain the water out. And once you see that, your suit is pretty much rinsed and that there's no more soapy water, that's your time that you know that it's been cleaned. You can take your gloves out. My gloves are pretty old. They're pretty matty. But look at that. A lot of that propolis is gone. You might have some wax build up, but you can easily take out the wax now. The propolis and the wax, you can just kind of just scratch off with your fingertips. There's no hard tools or anything that you need to take. Nothing to scrape your gloves with or anything. Literally, you're just basically just picking that off. The other glove, again, you might see some wax or whatever. You can just go ahead and just gently just pick it off. Now, I like to use the leather gloves. There's different cleaning methods for the cloth gloves versus the nitrile gloves. I'm not very big on those, but for those people that don't like to use the leather gloves, I understand. I find that the leather gloves are just, they're super easy to clean. There's not a whole lot to them. Now, when you're drying your suit, if you are in winter time or if it's raining or whatever, you can definitely go ahead and hang them up out in your shower. I've seen people hang them up in their bathrooms. The main thing is, and don't put them in your dryer. You just want to make sure that they just hang dry. Nothing too drastic. And what I like to do is hang them up outside. And I don't have a clothesline. So what I'm going to use is a folding chair, just a regular folding chair. And then I'm just going to put my gloves, or just put the suit on the folding chair and just put the gloves out. Now today is a pretty hot day. It's going to be about 100 degrees here. So it's going to dry pretty quickly. I would say halfway through the day or probably the next morning, grab your suit and flip it. This is so that the water can dry on the other side of the suit. But I'm just keeping it on the chair. I wish I had a clothesline, but as you can see, I don't have anywhere to put it in my backyard. And then if I do have any residue or any wax buildup or propolis on my gloves, I can easily just pick it off. And they smell like brand new, other than the propolis buildup that's been on my gloves. My suit looks clean and neat. And ready for the next time that I visit my bees. And there you go. How to clean your suit. Nothing big, nothing fancy. Again, stay away from floral detergents. Do not wash in your washer, and make sure that you hang to dry. And if you can't, hang them on a chair or in the shower. Voila. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to press the like icon. Leave a comment below if there are topics you want me to cover. To watch more upcoming videos, press the subscribe button below the video. Thank you for watching.